So wholeness. I remember in one of my videos, my 2020 growth acknowledgement, I was speaking on how my values have changed, and I would love to elaborate on that. So I when I wasn't into what's it called, astrology, I didn't know, like, for example, the type of things I should be valuing, the type of possessions I should be putting in my second house. Okay, so this is why, let's say, I used to value a lot of clothes. you know I used to value a lot of materialistic things. Okay, so, and like I said, I've gone through a lot of transformation, and if you follow me on Facebook, you've seen how I made a video on how on the world of materialism, and how that, me hopping out of that construct, has just completely transformed my life for the betterment. So when I say, like, my values, it could just be anything. Second house is dealing with values. So with me, I sort of analyze my values. Okay, so I don't feel the need. Where am I getting at, right? So I don't necessarily feel the need to want to hustle to get a gold chain. I don't really feel the need to want to, yeah, like I said, hustle to get that gold chain to, prove to the external realm that you've, made it or some shit. But and that's just in the jewelry, department. But for me, what I value are gemstones. Now this is tapping more into my Jupiter. Okay, so with my Jupiter in the sixth house of Aquarius, dealing with technology, and sixth house dealing with health. Aquarius, you could say Aquarius deals with technology, and sixth house dealing with health. It's like, and these gemstones have, and crystals have metaphysical properties. They have metaphysical properties, that affect, the physical, frequency, vibration, and energy. So it's like, just like the sage, just like I like to burn sage and I like to burn Palo Santo, this has metaphysical properties, that affect the physical. Okay, so this is just, and this is, again, like, when I hop on here, this channel says YouTube, so I see my external reality reflecting me. So it's like, I'm just on here, to speak for me, because we're not the same energies, type shit. So you don't necessarily have to value these, but just me being a sun sign Sagittarius, I'm gonna tell you the actual reason as to why I value these Aquarius type things. When you're talking about Aquarius, you're just talking about far out type things, metaphysical type things, astrological, esoteric type things. So yeah, I felt the need to make this video because I just got lapis lazuli and black obsidian. So That lapis, the blue, is really good for the throat chakra. You know, so it's like, it helps you truthfully express, you know. And black obsidian, dealing with that negative energy, you know, getting that negative energy, it absorbs that negative energy type shit. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you next now. Fresh Sage signing out.